42 kilometers northeast of Colombo, nestled in a serene and lush green village, lies an ancient cave temple that tells a captivating story dating back to the 2nd and 1st century BC. Welcome to Varana Rajamaha Viharaya. Legend has it that this Buddhist temple was built during the reign of King Devanampiyathissa, 307 to 267 BC. According to the temple chronicles preserved at the Vihara, several kings have undertaken renovations at different times. Today it stands proudly in the picturesque village of Mangalathiriya, inviting you to explore its rich history and tranquil surroundings. The temple is situated on a naturally terraced mountain. Each terrace features different buildings that belong to the temple. At the base is the preaching hall. Scattered boulders resembling caves serve as dwellings for the monks. Stone stairs lead to the upper levels of the mountain, where each level has a terrace and natural caves used for various purposes. The summit is designated as a forest sanctuary for trees, featuring a sacred Bodhi tree and cave dwellings for meditating monks.
There's a huge tree here.
Preaching hall. This building is a distinctive feature of the temple and serves as a preaching hall, fulfilling multiple purposes. Both scholars and students come here to learn philosophy and dharma. The huge boulder beside the building bears ancient paintings that date back to centuries, although their exact age has yet to be determined. The features and shape of the preaching hall have a special purpose connected with Buddhist cosmology, making it noteworthy in its own right. Next, we wanted to see the inscription, which provides the most significant historical evidence of the temple's history. The image house and the ancient stupa are found on the middle terrace. It is said that the stupa is around 800 years old. The age of the paintings on the ceiling above the stupa is not known. The scripts have not been identified. Inside the cave, on one side, you can see a large reclining Buddha statue that is 18 cubits long, approximately 30 feet. On either side of the reclining statue, there are statues of deities. God Saman, considered one of the guardian deities of the island and Buddhism. God Vishnu, a guardian deity and protector of Buddhism in the country, and God Natha, believed to be Maitreya, the next Buddha, are all represented in the image house. On the other side of the cave, there are several Buddha statues in seated and standing positions. The ceiling and walls of the cave are decorated with floral designs and paintings depicting historical events in Buddhism, in the country, and in the temple. Today, this temple operates as a regular Buddhist temple and has been declared as an archaeologically protected site by the Department of Archaeology, Sri Lanka. We drove along the Colombo Kandy Road and took a right turn at Yakkala onto the Yakkala Radhavana Road, continuing for about 5 kilometers until we reached Ambagaspitiya Ambalam, an 18th century wayside rest. Right next to it was an ice cream shop. At this point, we were only 4 kilometers away from our destination. The drive was pleasant, passing through beautiful paddy fields and peaceful villages. The roads were in excellent condition and free of traffic. We also spoke to some of the pilgrims. They still follow the tradition of fixing an arecanut flower in front of their vehicle for good luck. They explained the deep significance behind this custom.
පුවක් මල විශේෂයෙන්ම බුදුහාමුදුරන්ගේ ධර්මයට
සම්බන්ධයක්
අනුකූලව පූජා කරන දේ.
සස්ත්‍රික බව නිරූපණය කරනවා නේද?
විශේෂයෙන්ම පුවක් මල, පොල් මල ඒ වගේ මේ අපි තියෙන සෞභාග්‍ය ලක්ෂණය තමයි පෙන්වන්න කරන්නේ.
ඒක තමයි පුවක් මල ගහගෙන යන්නේ.
දැන් පිරිත් කියපුවාම පිරිත් පැන් අරගෙන මේ පුවක් මලෙන් තමයි
පුවක් මල නිහින්නේ.
ඔව් එහෙනම්.
ඒක හරි.
කියන්නේ ඒ වගේ හරි වටිනා දෙයක් තමයි පුවක් මල.
ඒක තමයි අරක ගහගෙන ඉන්නේ සංකේතයක් හැරෙන්නේ නේද? හරි හරි. බොහොම ස්තුතියි.
The entire premises is filled with wild fruit and plants with medicinal value.
ඕන තරම් ගන්න ෆොටෝස්. ඈ? ජම්බෝල. This is ජම්බෝල. ගෙඩි මදි. ඔව්. It's not.
අයියෝ අන්න කැඩුවා.
කිරිල්ල ඈ? ඔය ඒත් ඒවා. කිරිල්ල.
ඔය ගාන කනවද?
කරන් කාල්මන්ඩ එකක් කෑව හැකි
එක්සස් නිකරුණේ කාලය ගත කිරීමට ඇතුල් වෙන තමයි.
ඔව් ඔව්. කන්න පුළුවන් ලෙවල් එක නෑ ඔක්කොම.
නෑ ඔක්කොම නෝර්මල්.
පිටිමකුණ වෙලා ඉන්නේ. චොක්ලට්ස් මේ අපි ගහකින් කඩාගත්තේ. මෙතෙන් මොකක්ද කොහොමද බඩිය
කොකාකෝලා එකයි ස්ප්‍රයිට් දෙකයි දෙන්න. ස්ප්‍රයිට්
On our way back, we wanted to spend some time at another ambalama. These ambalamas are specially designed as wayside rests for travelers. This is believed to be built by an ancient king. Currently, it is maintained by the Department of Archaeology. All these ambalamas are protected monuments. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.